Too many plans, too much chaos. What if AI could organize your entire week in under a minute? So you won't forget the events, meeting, and just your own plans, as it will already be scheduled for you. ChatGPT can structure your plans and create a file for your phone or any calendar app. Here's how to do it. Most of us have a lot going on. Work, meetings, gym, appointments, family, hobbies, everything lives in different apps or just in our heads. This simple AI trick turns your week into a clear plan you can actually stick to. Open ChatGPT and describe your week. Just tell it what you need: your work hours, gym sessions, events, anything you want to include. Here's an example. Work Monday to Friday, 9-5. Gym on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday after work, 1 hour. Drinks with a friend, Tuesday evening. Doctor appointment Thursday at 2 p.m. Date night Friday. Family brunch, and a hike on Saturday. And Sunday it is for YouTube and chill. The AI will organize everything into a full week plan. It adds structure, balance, even buffer time between activities. You can edit or tweak anything, or just copy it straight into your calendar. Now ask ChatGPT to turn that plan into a calendar file. Download it and import into Google Calendar or your phone, and that's it. And now plans will be automatically added as events to your schedule. It's really easy. Just download file and open it. One click, and it will work. In 1 minute, you go from scattered to structured. Everything you need is scheduled, and your mind is finally clear. Let AI plan your week so you can focus on living it. AI can actually make your life simpler, calmer, and more organized if you know how to use it. This is just one small example of what's possible, but you can find more on the channel. We've got powerful tools at our fingertips. Let's stop surviving the week and start designing it. The full prompt is in the description. Try it yourself. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple AI tips and unlock the best of the 21st century. One smart trick at a time.